Hi, in this tutorial we'll see how to use different video editing features like rotate, mirror, flip, fit and many more. So you just have to tap on video, select the particular timeline and then you can do the operations like rotate, flip and mirror. So as you can see in the video, when you are tapping it will give the respective changes. Then you can fit the complete video to the screen and you can change the background of the video with a gradient and normal colors, and you can apply to all. Even also you can set the background image to your video. You can set up the border of your video, increase and decrease the size of video border, and also change the color of the border and many more. Similarly, you can apply the blur effect. If it's useful for you, comment down. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.